Today, let us learn how to record video and take photo. First, learn how to switch video and photo modes. There are two ways. First, use the touch screen of the camera. Open the camera. Watch the touch screen in the upper left corner. Here is the video icon. It means you are in video mode. Click it. It turns to camera icon. It means you are in camera mode. This is the first way. Use the touch screen of the camera. The second way is use the mode button on your camera. Press the mode. You will find the camera icon turns to video icon. Press the mode button again. It turns to camera icon again. Let us learn how to take photo in camera mode. Use the photo button on your camera. Press the photo button. You will take a picture. Now let us learn how to record video. First, change the camera mode to video mode. In video mode, use the red dot record button on your camera to taking video. Press it. Now we are in taking videos. If you want to use pause function, press OK button to pause the video you are taking. You can see the time is stopped. Press the OK button again. The video is continuing recording. Press the red dot record button. The video